guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tactical Expedition, and today I want to show you what I have in the passenger seat. I work alone, and so there's no passenger. I don't have a partner like some other agencies. So first off, I carry a tourniquet and a medical kit here. It's a Velcro, so if I want to take it with me, I can just pull it. I can just pull it hard and it just comes off. So then it has a tourniquet and it has a medical kit inside, like band-aid, scissors, gauze, and all that. And after, this is a door stopper. So once we make entry, I prop the door open with this. It's called Review². I bought it on Amazon. I carry this bag organizer. So from this bag, this is for the needles and some other hazardous materials. Carry a towel back here. Then from the front, I carry extra lithium-ion batteries in this pouch, so I can use it for my Surefire Ultra 300. Okay, then just for maybe if we recover some narco. This is a AAA battery case. I use it for my devices. My extra flashlight. This is about 1000 lumens. Streamlight ProTech XLX or HLX. Pretty bright. I think it's two different modes that I can set. Then my department uses a fingerprint device to find out who people are. And there's extra forms in here. Toothpick, binoculars. It's a shitty one from Walmart, I believe. It's a small one, just in case. And the gloves. Then I carry a ticket book and different other ticket books in here, like parking citations. This, I keep my water, and that's a Starbucks that I get. This is my baton for the department. And over here, this is a phone holder. And lastly, this is a product called Kuka. So then this gets attached to the one of the vents. Then you shove this end to inside of your vest, and cold AC comes on. So I guess if you have a partner, you cannot have that, but if you are working by yourself, I guess that's an option when it's a hot day. So thank you, and see you on the next video.